Oh, may lock na to. Oh.
Let's go.
May lock naman talaga yan ah.
Yung nakaraan nung nila.
Hindi, iba yun. Iba yung walang lock.
Ganon?
Oo.
1, 2. Bilangan mo, kaya ko ba ng 1 to 15 ito?
3. Pila? 50?
Oo.
4.
Nakikita ko doon sa Facebook ganyan na ginagawa niya.
6. 7. 8. 9.
Oh my gosh.
10.
Kaya ko kaya ng
11.
50? Parang pagod na yung legs ko eh.
13. 14. 15. 16. Dami na nanonood ah. 17.
Wala ah.
18. Ano yung mga tao na yan? 20. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26.
Challenging!
27. 28.
Hindi kaya ng legs ko.
29.
Na hindi mag-straight. Aray!
30.
Ah!
31. 32. 33.
Ah!
34. 35.
Ah, hirap na yung legs ko. Ah!
35. 36. 35 lang. 37. 38. 39. 40.
Ah, kaya to.
41. 42. 43.
Ah,
44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50.
aray ko. Ah! Ah!
50 sa'yo. Ako kaya? Ilan kaya?
Ah! Yung legs ko masakit. Ah!
1.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Pagkabitawan ko.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, ha? 14 lang? 14, 15, 14, 17, 9, 3, 4,
Sa ulo ko, be.
5. Nung nirigla ako, masakit yung ulo ko. Ngayon, okay na. Mag-shout out tayo. Shout out to my viewers. Nobody is there. Hi, Juan Mir. Zaksa. Italian. Good morning. Budak Pindik. Yes, I 1, 2, 3. Adi. Good morning, Adi. Sabayan mo kami mag-exercise, Adi. Yung ganito naman. 1, 2. Bilang.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128
ko na maangat, guys.
19, 19, 19, 20.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Yung hihiga naman ako. Kunin mo nga yung phone. Parang maluwag yung kabila eh.
Saan yung ano? Paano pag ano lang?
Flip the camera.
Saan?
The three button below.
3. Tapos, flip camera. I see.
Parang masakit yung muscle ng tiyan ko.
Ah?
Pag mag-angat nito. Parang wala akong power, guys. Sakit yung muscle ng tiyan ko eh.
Oo nga eh, kaya hindi mo na ako nag-ano masyado. Masakit.
Ready? Set. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10,
Kailangan makaya ko ng 120.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Aray ko. Ah, di na kaya ng powers.
18 lang. 19. 19. 20. Very good.
1, 2.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60.
Ah! Aray ko, aray ko. Aray. Press yung chan mo, oh.
Ah,
Sobrang bigat. Aray ko, 16 kg ba naman to? Ah, oh my gosh. Sabi ko sa'yo, igulong sa tiyan. Yan, oh, gugulong sa tiyan.
hindi ko gulong ay.
Gugulong, tignan mo, oh. Gumugulong. Aray. Sobrang bigat talaga. Cornelius, help me. Cornelius, faster, take it away.
Buti nga.
Faster, my stomach is freezing down. Ani? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Kabilat-bilat na tayo na eh. Sakit talaga. Grabe ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 9, 10. Kaya ayoko tong short na to eh.
Bakit? May ano naman yan ah?
Di ako nakakabukaka eh. May ano naman yan ah. Meron nga. One. Ito. Pero nakikita yung dito ko.
Eh, ano naman? Pero mabilat ng kikita. Kikita talaga yan. May slit eh.
Ito nga yan. Yan ang ginawa ko ngayon.
Hindi ko kamangad doon. Sakit eh.
Push up naman tayo. Wala naman tayong viewers eh. Hi, morning chat. Share your day. Kat chong. And just for Reese. Hi, good morning. Wow, my body is aching. My body is aching. Sakit yung heart ko. Yung heart ko, masakit. Sige, ikaw. Balancing.
Here, son.
Asa man ni mga viewers ani oy 14 viewers raman wa pa si naghatag og heart. Wow.
Hindi ko marunong mag-ano. Balik. Hindi ko talaga perfect na. Gano'n na ta, no? Ay! Wala eh. Last.
Hi Diam. Good morning. We are here at Jumbo Park doing our exercise.
Matanda na sabi ko, sasama sa'yo. Sabado pa.
Sabado daw eh.
Yun o.
Hi Daku, good morning. Shout out. Where are you now? What country are you from? Hi, shout out sa 3 viewers. Thank you for the hearts. I want more hearts. I will try my best.
Do a good job. Ready?
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow.
Wow.
Luckily, I'm able to do 3. It's a lucky day.
Oops. Wow. Sabi niya, wow. Ah, wow ba now?
Oh, I cannot go already. Oh my goodness. I want to do 4 times without falling.
Pag unahan kasi na hindi da-balance yung katawan mo, maano ka talaga eh. Oh, see?
I feel already really tired.
Doink.
What is that? Ikaw naman ulit.
Hindi na kaya eh.
Ha?
Hindi na kaya.
Hindi na kaya?
Wait.
Hindi na ako kita yung poday ko
Hindi,
para
ano?
makakita eh.
O dito.
Parang kailangan ng linis yung camera ko ah.
Bakit?
Linisan na natin. Hi, good morning everyone. How are you there? Thank you for watching 3 viewers. Let's do this. Open leg.
Piling.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Ang hirap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Aray ko. Sakit sa katawan.
Oh my God.
Aray ko be.
Iba talaga siya nag-iisip sa amin. Yan lang hindi ko nakuha.
Aray, sakit sa tuhod.
Lumalabas yung yung mukha sa ano na.
Sa filter yan ata eh.
Filter yan. Ano gagawin mo? Masakit yun eh.
Bakit ulo ko da?
Saan ko dito nakikita? Parang na talubong din dataan natin to eh. Aba, hindi lumapit si Kalbo. Wala pa eh. May timing yan. May timing yan. Isip. Naandito na oh. Naandito na yung isa. Isip ni Kalbo ako. Maaga sila ha. Hindi ako maka-overtake nito. Ay, hindi siya araw-araw nagbabarbell. Hindi siya araw-araw nagbabarbell.
Walk-in siya eh.
Ha?
Ano? Pinarking niya yung car niya.
Ah. Ganun. Kala ko. O, yung barbell natin doon pa.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo.
Ha? Oo. Wala na? Baka dinagdag nila dyan. Tingnan mo nga. Yun nga yung 3 kg. 3 kg ba yun?
Oo.
Ha? Sabi ko sa'yo, may 3 kg. Diba sabi ko, ito guys, napagod lakad. Sino ba naman hindi mapagod? May dalang may bit-bit na 3 kg. Sinabi mo ba no? Kasi alam ko talaga eh. Ito ba oh? Nasa unahan. Ha? Nasa unahan. Which one? Ito. May viewers ba ako? Wala. Saan ba makikita ang viewers dyan? Taas. Punta na sa Kalbo dito. Yan, tapos naman tayo eh. Doon naman tayo sa kabila. Gloria. Mayroon akong 2 viewers eh. Dalawa. Good morning everyone. Thank you for watching my live guys. Bilisan mo, hawakan mo nga. I'm so tired. Tingnan mo siya. Ginagawa niya. Look at him. He's doing his best. Ha? Ha? Ano sabi mo? Sino nasabi?
Kuwait ba? Kuwait.
Thank you for the hearts, guys.
Hello.
I have 264. Okay, kunan mo na ako. Thank you for the 2 viewers. Good morning, guys. Anong kunan? Ako.
Saan? Mag-ano ako, mag...
Saan?
Teka lang, ilipat natin yung camera. Try mo kaya yan?
Hindi nga kaya.
Weh.
Ikil ko naman ang aking abaga, anak.
Slowly but surely. You cannot do when you say you cannot.
yes.
But you never tried it.
Slowly but surely daw.
Count for me.
1, 2, ilan na to? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Where's your
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Asan daw yung asawa niya? 24. Ha?
Iniwan niya doon.
25.
I want to do 30 eh.
Then,
How many already?
25 only.
Huh?
25.
25? 5 more?
6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35.
Mag-hang tayo doon.
Ha?
Ilang minute.
Ha? Saan?
Count for me.
Paano count?
1 to 60.
Dali. Timeran. Timer. Timer guys, timer.
Maybe I can do it. I cannot do it within 1 minute. My body is heavy already.
Paano ba maglagay ng timer dito?
Stopwatch.
1 lang nga, di ba?
Okay.
1 minute. 1 minute, di ba?
Oo.
Okay.
Wala pa galing ka nag-go tapos yun, ano?
Wala pa. Sige. 1. Okay. Go.
My body is heavy.
Wala pa. Wala pa. Wala pa.
How many seconds? Kone?
Wala. Wala pa. Wala pa.
Oh my god. Ah, I cannot already. Ah, my hand going to drop. This hand is not gripping, it's falling down.
Walaw.
How many seconds only?
20 minutes. 20 seconds remaining.
Ay,
To become 1 minute.
So 40 seconds only. Oh my gulay. If I wear the long pants, I can just hang a while like that.
Pwede naman eh. Mali yung pag-timer natin eh. Ah,
Okay.
hawakan mo nga. Ginawa mo 1 oras eh.
Ha?
1 oras eh.
Ikaw ang nagbindot, malay ko ba sa'yo? Counting challenge with ha 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 ha. Tingnan mo si EI, ang galing talaga ni EI eh. Huh? Tingnan mo, oh. Counting challenge. Ha 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 ha. Kasi hindi ko na-reach yung 1 minute.
Ah, gano'n?
Oo.
Talaga?
Si EI, kung ano yung ginagawa niya, ay ginagawa mo sa live mo, sinasabi niya. Mas matalino pa to sa tao eh.
Gano'n?
Oo. Okay, let's try. Hanging challenge, guys.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute?
Oo.
Okay, go!
1 minute, oh.
Oh, 1 minute nga.
Kaya ko kaya? Nakaganito ako eh. Madaya ba pag gumaganito ako?
Hindi naman.
Ay, Reyes! Ang bigat ng katawan ko. Oh my gosh.
Wala. Kanoin mo talagang 1 minute. Malapit na. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Wow. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
It's killing me. Ito kasing kamay eh, okay lang sa katawan yung kamay na pag-grip sa bar. Sarili. Ang dumadaos siya eh.
Oh?
Oo. Hindi nagre-grip.
Ako pwede dyan.
Okay ka. 20 second. Kaya mo?
Samok na.
Kayanin mo, dali.
Samok
Buhatin kita.
Sa pagsamok be.
Hindi, hahawakan kita ng 20 seconds.
Bahala ka dyan.
Ilisan mo. Hahawakan nga kita. Dali na. Bilis.
Ayoko. Natawa na talaga ako.
20 seconds nga lang. Ang bilis nun. Sabay talaga itong babaeng to eh. Shout out sa one viewers. Good morning everyone. Nakapag-exercise na ba kayo guys? What is the time right now? Now is 5:38 lang pala eh.
Kaya, lakad nga. Ako mong sabihin, kaya mo dyan sa Queenstown hanggang doon? 30 minutes? O sige, ikaw mag-isa ka. Suluhin mo.
Okay, you go running. Shout out to my 2 million viewers. Good morning. We are here at Chingboro Park. And what about you 2 viewers? Are you still on the bed? Wake up. And let's exercise. Nandito kami sa Chingboro Park, guys. Hawakan mo nga.
Bakit?
Itatali ko yung buhok ko. Parang mamuwag eh. Mag-hi ka naman dyan sa live.
Hala! Mag-hi daw ako.
Mag-say hi. Interviewin mo yung manonood. Taga saan kayo?
Sorry guys, I'm not content creator. I cannot say anything.
Your mouth is...
My mouth is have paste.
Oh, so sorry. They ran away already. Hello everyone. Good morning. Shout out to Tao Max, YXP Jack X, Jack of Spade. Good morning. Silver Ducky. Good morning. Happy Boy. Good morning. Shout out everyone and good morning. Good morning Singapore and Philippines. And can you shout out where are you now? What country are you from? So that I know where are you. I'm here in Singapore. And what about you, my viewers? Hi Tan Kem. Hi Day. Hi Lim. Good morning. Shout out. Anahan mo nga ako, hawakan mo. Magtakbo ako. Let's see kung paano si Jocelyn Balaba tumakbo.
Naka-live to?
This is run like a pig or run like a what?
Run like
like a pig.
Huwag mo sabihin, paraning mo din ako. Layo na niya, oh. Bo, malapit. Nagtatako ako, bakit lumapit siya? Malapit na pala ako. Ay, maatrasan mo si auntie. Very energetic eh.
This lady, so slow.
Then, si Abang yon. Dito tayo.
May viewers ba ako?
Hindi ko alam.
Hi to viewers, thank you for watching. I'm exhausted, guys. Parang namutla na ako sa pagod. We are here, guys. Everyone is doing exercise. Madali lang yan. Maganda na yung ngayon. Maganda na siya, no?
Dito?
Oo.
Iersan.
Iersan. Iersan. Let's go. Oo, mas maganda na siya ngayon. Let's do it. Makukuha ba doon?
Dito ka, oh.
Dito nga.
Yung lift up. Ganun. Parang inano dito, no?
Mas maganda na yung mga equipment.
Kaya nga, oh, parang in-improve sila.
Malaki talaga muscles mo ito.
Oo. Kailan ka? Tampo?
30 already.
Ha?
30.
Wow.
Come for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
伊个龟脯甲龟仔嘛无错着了，
11,
这种
12,
这种家己食龟脯龟仔咯，
15, 16,
碎碎食食咧。有啊，这个这个
Ako.
I'm so tired, guys.
Dito yan eh.
Eh, tadi ka diyan ma.
Ano ko talikod?
Dapat nakatalikod. Oh,
Kaya ko kaya?
kaya mo.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
tutuon yung ano to, di balikat ano.
Oh. Alisan mo, 10.
10 lang ako.
11, quick. 11, 12, 13, pasta. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
三只在那边，你听。
19, 20.
小小只，你没有注意看看没有？龟龟，
哦，很小只哦。
很小哦，是哦。
你去，我都不知道。
你没有看到它动哦，你没有看到，不知道的。
喂呀，喂进来了。
细只哈，
係絲隻，即係絲隻。
出邊嗬。
啊，嚟殺絲隻個。
I'm already exhausted, guys. Today we never go Queenstown. So we just straight away come here in Jumbo Park. I think we reach here 4:30 a.m. And we never go run to Queenstown because we're thinking that we must reach earlier here in Jumbo Park because every time we use when we run to Queenstown, turning yan. Iikot mo yung katawan mo dyan. Iikot mo yung katawan mo dyan. Tingnan mo ako. Ikaw nga. I-focus mo lang sa akin. Baka mamaya magreklamo yung mga tanda na yun. Parang nagreklamo kasi sila kanina eh.
做啥隻呢？專係絲隻。
Ha?
啊，絲隻絲隻。
Ginamit ko to eh. Pero hindi ko alam sa
用
iba.
出嚟殺絲隻個。啊。
Talaga?
嚟，
Kaya mo?
佢落呢個，
Patingin nga.
呢隻食啊。
Nakakahilo.
Hold knobs with both hands. Stretch your arms and
Pwede naman
upper
ganito.
body
Pwedeng
as
ganito.
you turn the wheel
Tuhod.
clockwise or...
Ganyan. 1,
Ayun nga, ganun nga.
2. Pwede rin ganyan. Ikot ng katawan mo.
Ang hirap yung ginagawa mo.
Gusto ko yung ganito. Kasi hindi... Parang easy lang kasi pag ganyan eh.
O, ganun.
Tingin mo yung camera dito.
Sa'yo nga.
Doon na nakatingin.
Kasi saka...
Siya na ilapit doon ka rin. Pwede, pag gusto mo ng easy, ganun mo lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eh, gusto ko ng ganyan eh.
Puta.
2, 3.
Mahirap yung ginagawa mo. Sumakit yung balikat ko dito ah.
Oh, talagang may master na ako. O, ikaw.
Hindi ka ba naman magkamasil eh.
Counterclockwise o
One. Slowly mo lang. Hindi ko maabot. Maabot mo yan. Slowly mo nga. 2, 3.
Makalipong man.
Makalipong, dude. 4, 5, 6. Hi, Huggy boy. 1, 2, 3. Pabigay naman ng hearts dyan. Wala ba kayong hearts?
5.
Grabe naman kayo. Hindi kayo namibigay ng hearts. 264. Hi, Ruby. Good morning. Hi, my love. Good morning. Huggy boy. Good morning. Yun lang. Hindi umabot ng 20. Okay, you go 1 round there.
Saan?
5 times. 1 round, 1 round, 1 round.
Saan? Ito?
Itong round.
Ay, ganun?
Oo. Basta.
Lakad?
Run! 1. Basta, basta. Hurry up. Timean kita. 5:50. Tingnan ko kung ilang round, 5 round kung ilang minute. Go. Hurry up! Faster run! Two, quick!
Pangatlo na to, di ba?
No, 2.
3.
Ito pangatlo, 3. Faster, 3. Bilis! 1 minute already. Four, quick, 4. Just 2 more, quick, 4. Hurry up!
Wala na, ako na, hininga ko be.
Inahak 1 minute nga lang eh. Ako. Sandali. Hingal ako.
Ano pala dito? Dapat dito tayo
No
mag-aamahan.
power, ano?
Wala talaga akong powers. Huwag mo akong gayahin.
Ready?
1. Para sa iyo isi. Tinaymeran mo ta?
Bilang ka?
3. Pangatlo na to. Four. Five. Six. Five round lang talaga. Seven. Huwag mong pilitin, dugo. 8. Nine. Aba, lang lactod ka na. Mayroong big round, small round, medium round. Ang galing ano? Ang galing talagang
Matyaga talaga yung mag-ano dito, ano? Ha?
Para sa paa talaga yan. Pang massage.
Ayaw mag-foot, ano? Barefoot?
Oo.
Barefoot talagang ano dito?
Para sa paa yan. Massage. I'm exhausted, guys. Wow, you really never give me hearts. I work hard so hard. I ran 14 times. You never even give me heart. You're so stingy. I'm exhausted of running and you never even give me one heart. Oh my gosh. Napaka-stingy nyo naman. Napaka-stingy na mga viewers ko. Hindi man na mabigyan ng one heart. Oh my God, Okay, I'm gonna end my live since nobody watching and nobody wants to give me heart. Hi, my Thunder, Yukmin, Jay, Kupaing, user 4423. Hi, Joy. Hi, Danny. Hi, Timber Park Fitness Challenge. Huh? What is that? AI pala yun. Hi, MNO. Hi, Lisojai. Hi, A3. Hi, TT. Hi, New Life. Hi, Rabbit Touch. Hi, Rahul Das. Hi, Mr. Babu. Hi, DC. Hi, Bunga Melati. Hi, Ali Cook. Hi, Simoli. Hi, Julian Wong. Hi, Vani. Hi, Alvin Chua. Hi, user 23. Hi, everyone. Hi to my 2 viewers. Good morning. How are you there? Have you done your exercise, guys? We're always coming here in Tiongba Park to do our exercise. Now we are done. Maybe we're going back. And thank you for watching. I'm so sweaty already, you see? And how are you? How about you? Have you done your exercise? Today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everyone. And thank you for watching my live today. And see you tomorrow again. We're gonna do our exercise again tomorrow. Today we never go run to Queenstown because it's late already. We come down like 4:30 already, so we're thinking that we come here in Tiong Bahru Park straight away because the Bota always do the exercise, the dumbbell, and then every time we go to the dumbbell, he chases us away because he want to use the dumbbell and we cannot use. So we're thinking that okay lah, we go earlier than him first, then we can use the dumbbell earlier because usually we go run to Queenstown by 4 something and we reach in Queenstown like 4 o'clock, and then we walk back here in Tiong Bahru Park. We reach here by 5:30 or earlier than that. And then when we reach here and do our exercise in Tiong Bahru Park, the Bota is always stopping us to use the dumbbell because he want to use first, because he say he want to go after he use. Then we also want to use because 6 o'clock we must go back already because we have to start our work by 6 o'clock. And then the Bota chase us away and then we cannot use the dumbbell.
Kahit nauna tayo, no?
Even we are using it first, he will just say, I use first. Give me 15 minutes. Then I say, I really want to answer him. Why? We also want to use because we need to go back home by 6 a.m. But I'm scared of him. Later he punch me. So I just keep quiet. I just say, okay, you use it first. Because he's so scary. Asan na yung towel ko? Hi Alvin! Good morning!
Kapit tayo?
Good morning! Hi Mizu! May pira ka bang dala?
Wala. Ay, alas 6 na.
Ay, alas 6 na talaga. Sus,
Ba't ang kapit na oras?
aray ko. Di na ko di na ko kalakaw, guys. Parang galing to sa Jardine.
Para kang ano, be? Asan na yung daanan natin?
Hindi na ako makalakad.
Doon!
Dito,
Parang talaga akong tanga.
Tinawanan ako ni Miso.
Sino?
I love you all. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you want to do exercise with me, 4 a.m., come and join with us here in Tiong-Bahru Park. Thank you for the hearts. Sa lahat ng loyal followers ko na laging nanonood sa mga video upload ko, thank you very much. I give you heart. Thank you for watching my video uploads and to my live. I really appreciate, guys. And for the hearts, maraming salamat. Thank you. Salamat po na marami sa inyo. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Sa ang sulok man kayo ng mundo. Happy Wednesday! And February is going to end na naman, guys. And we're going to March. Oh, March na naman. Mabilis ang panahon. Ang bilis ng oras. O, diba? March, April. Oh, April. Oh, after March, April is my month. My birthday is April. Coming April. Kayo, kailan yung birthday nyo? Mag-38 na naman ako, guys. Oh my goodness.
38 ka na ba?
Ngayong April, mag-38 na ako. Oh my gulay. I'm getting older and older. Thank you, Papa God. Kasi, nagiging older. Nagiging older. Hindi mo alam, yung ibang tao ngayon, umiiyak na kasi bilang na yung araw nila. But luckily for us, we are healthy and we are happy. So we are blessed. So we must be thankful for our life that we have. And then every morning, we can wake up with a healthy mind, healthy body. So thank you, Papa God, for the blessings every day. Because you don't even know, there's a lot of people there out there that they are sad already because they are sick, and maybe they are counting their days, that how many days left of their life in this world. But luckily for us, we are healthy, happy, even we are poor, but stay positive and healthy. Even no money. Still be thankful for everything, right? Right?
Yes.
Are you rich or poor?
For, not rich, not poor.
Even. Even what? Mahirap o dukha? You're mahirap or you're dukha? Let's
No.
go. Ha?
No,
Then what? Rich.
not rich. Not poor.
Then what? And moderate.
Moderate.
Oh, moderate. Paano ba yung sabihin? Moderate? Oh, no. That's wrong. That's wrong word for that.
Even nga.
No. In the middle. Not poor, not rich. Ano yan? Switch yan sa mga lights. Tingnan mo, maraming...
Ito?
Oo, tingnan mo, maraming mga wires. Thank you for the hearts. I have 289 hearts. I just wish I could have 1,000 hearts. So demanding, right? Bitaw, no? Minsan, iniisip ko, parang nag-aalala ako na tumatanda ako kasi nga, di ba? I have my white hair is coming out. Starting to coming out my white hair. So when every time I see my white hair, I just like, I'm so worried that I'm getting older. But in the other side, I also thinking, wow, Jocelyn, you still complaining your white hair come out. Other people out there, they are very, very sad because they are old already, maybe older than me, or maybe some other people there, they are so sad because they have cancer, and then their days is counting, and then the doc said to them that, oh, you only have 3 months to live, and that's so sad, right? So we're still lucky we don't have that for now. Diba, Kuya Reyes? What do you think?
Yeah?
Oh.
Me, I have so many white hair already. But I'm still young.
Don't worry about the white hair. That means that you're getting older and you're getting what? Richer. Getting older and getting richer daw to. O, di ba? Yung mayaman siya, guys, kasi meron na siyang alote every month ngayon. But sadly, I don't have monthly alote. This lady here, he got son that working in the ship and then working hard in the ship and then every month put money in here in her account. Then she's getting older, but she's getting richer, guys. So this look at her face, getting younger some more, not getting older because because she got money in the bank now because the son is very hardworking in the ship and going any country like America. Did he went to Saudi Arabia? No. Where he always go?
Part
America and what else?
Part na America, London.
Oh, London and Europe. Never go to Middle East.
No.
Middle East, I think no sea there.
No. I don't think so. Meron ba?
Middle East got sea lah, but
Gala.
but I don't think the ship will go there.
No.
Because there is desert. Right. Bili ka lang ng coffee. Bili ka lang ng coffee. Pabilihin talaga kita ng coffee. Bagong sahod. We are here in the market, guys. And then our richer madam, we're going to buy a coffee for us. Now, she's counting her money because it's a lot.
Walang naman yung gasto.
It's a lot money, so it's hard to count. So now I'm waiting for her.
Bali, wag ka maniwala dyan.
So I'm waiting for her to buy coffee for me because I'm so thirsty. Who can buy coffee for us? Come over here. I'm just kidding. Hi to viewers. Good morning. Shout out to all of you. Can you shout out your place there? Thank you for the 395 hearts. Ay, kadugay mag-counting sa isang money, guys.
Magpinaw ko sa pinagdas.
Tingnan mo, guys. Dugay din na sila kaiyap sa isang kwarta, guys. Bilisan mo di. Hindi na niya alam, guys, kung paano paano magpinaw sa das niya.
Bakit?
Hindi niya alam kung paano magpinaw. She say she don't know how to transfer her money in the PayNow. I think she just pretend so that her allowed money cannot less.
Baliw ka talaga.
O, tingnan mo. Hirap na hirap yan mag-counting, guys. Hirap na hirap yung mag-count sa milyones.
Baliw.
Kailangan ba ng QR code? Pinaw sa number lang ata yan eh. Oh, na-transfer na niya, guys. Na-transfer na kay. Papalitin na natin coffee, guys. Kaya mabawasan na isang milyones sa isang account ba.
Bajaw, Concepcion.
Oh, we can buy coffee now because my madam have reached today. Ha? Dito oh. Pwede ka naman siguro bumili dito eh. Tanungin mo ah. Tanungin mo. Di ba nang nakaraan meron? Maraming tao dyan eh. Dito kaya. So biningan natin. 6 something na. I must reach home 6 a.m. because I need to start my work. I need to start my work by 6 a.m. But I still... Ha? Yung tea na may milk. Sabihin mo, take out. Take out. Ikaw na, ikaw nandyan eh. Ikaw bahala, ikaw bibili. Ikaw ang bibili, ikaw ang bahala.
Ayaw mo naman ng ano eh. Itlog eh.
Ay, no, inaantay nga niya mag-order. Sabi, inaantay ka niya mag-order. Ikaw. Ano ba yung pangalan niya? Big Pig? Ha? Tea na may milk. Can you give me 5 hearts so that I can have 400 hearts? Can? 5 hearts, please. Yay! Thank you so much. Ooh, ano nang oras na guys? We must reach home by... Oh no, 6:13 already. Kitik out mo? Laki ng mata ko, no? Thank you for the hearts. Hi, Misu. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for your like. Hi, Isdi. Good morning. Hi, Misu. Good morning. Big Dick. Can you change your name into Small Dick? I don't like your name, Big Dick. You change into Small Dick. No, you change into another unique name like... Oh, maybe Heart. You change your name into Heart. Not in Dick. Because I don't like that. Wow, I got 500 hearts. Thank you very much, guys. Royal Komari, good morning. Yeah, I wonder why he put his name Big Dick. It's not nice to mention. Ikaw eh, masyado kang ano eh.
Oo nga eh. Pwede tayo ng ano matcha. Dapat ka ng matcha.
Sasabihin ko nga sana sa'yo eh.
Ayaw mo naman eh. Di ba naman nauubos eh.
Kasi it's cold. I want hot. She like the matcha drink, but the matcha drink is cold. I don't want to drink cold drinks early in the morning. I want a hot drinks. Because hot drinks for stomach is good. And cold drinks is not good. Late na guy. It's 6:14 already, so I'm late. Kasi we do hard working. We are hard working, right? So that's why we have 500.